This is Nick with the Roof Mentors, here to do a repair assessment on Miss Leah Bullock's roof. See, I got one shingle highlighted with the roof snake tool that we were requested to use to attempt the repair with. Begin by unsealing the shingles. So this is the end of it. Grab some close-up photos of it. Overview. All right. Let's just rip this completely. Let's see how far that rip goes in there. Okay. All right. Same thing here. As soon as you start to pry up on it, it starts to rip the shingle completely. Here, stay down here. I want you to see on video exactly what's going on. So, see this nail right here? And it rips up the shingle completely. So, we'll continue on. Rip too. I'll show that one once we remove it completely. All right, see that real quick. All right, so this is the issue when we're running in the. Try to hold the phone with my hand, and there we go. See, it rips out that entirely. Got the old one out. Is that one nail that got that? Got it lined up. Using new nails. New 1 inch nails. close up of it, but every time we gotta nail it, get the nail flush. Here, I'll get it on camera here. That where it goes down. Do me a favor. See how that nail's sticking up? So put this back on top of it like this. And when I drive this in, it's making contact with the shingle here. It's absolutely crushing the edges of these shingles and granules. Ooh, boy. All right, so like I said, that one wasn't as bad. This one right here, you see where the granules have been crushed in? You see the light brown powder as well right here. So while it takes away the need to lift it up, the shingle up as high as it can, still causes damage crushing the granules. Then also you can see right here, we have a faint crease from where this shingle did get damaged from manipulation. This did fail. Right there, there, right there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional shingles or tabs that are damaged from repairing one. Grab some photos. Thank you very much.